Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Saan tayo ngayon?
Gardenia.
Spell Gardenia.
Gardenia Factory.
Around in Laguna.
Say hi guys!
I'm a Laguna girl.
So nandito po kami sa Gardenia ngayon.
Gardenia. So at the Gardenia, it's called Gardi. It originated from the word Gardi that comes from the 200,000 BC that came from Egypt.
You do know, wait, but first.
No, we're gonna do a trivia here. So our bus, anong bus? No, the bus, our Kuya Bert. So Kuya Bert told us that the history of bread. So way back in Egypt, around before Christ. So in Egypt, Egypt is the place where the bread is came from.
Where it originated.
So, it was a mistake. So, mistake doon na ginawa yung bread. So, lahat tayo mistake.
Exactly.
Look, my bread, David.
Ano po school kayo? Tama sa vlog ko. Diba? Gusto nyo maingay ako tapos gusto nila. Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys.
Ano pangalan?
My name is Francis M. Bautista and I'm 15 years old.
Ako po si Micaela Galindo, 14 years old.
14?
Hi guys! Ngayon, nandito na po kami sa bread store.
As you can see here, this is the final finished product of Gardenia.
What can you say about it?
It's truly astounding and astounding.
Tapos na po kami ngayon sa Plantor. So today we're gonna check out this new fancy store of Gardenia. Look at the quality, guys. Look at the bread. The quality of the bread is giving. I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10.
So very perfect. Tapos tingin po sa freebie. Bread!
Hi! Ayan ang Spanish bread. Ito.
Hi, KitKat. Si hi, KitKat. Bagay ka, kuya.
Hi, Gardenia.
Spanish.
Spanish bread.
I have a question for Miss Kern. Nandun na ba ang inner child natin?
Yes!
Kakabalik lang namin sa bread store. So, nasa bus na kami ulit.
Say hi!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! So nandito po kami ngayon sa museo ni Jose Rizal. Say hi!
Anong museo? Di ba bahay?
Same din.
We're entering.
Hi guys! Where are we today?
Sa bahay ni Rizal.
Carla, please, ano yung ni Rizal? Explain.
So we're seeing here is the bed whose
Boys bedroom.
boy's bed. His older brother Pashino.
Pasyano.
Pashano. With an age difference of 10 years old.
Hindi ka nga doon. Picture lang ito. Ikaw na lang.
So ito po ang kwarto ng kapatid ni Rizal.
Ikaw.
So andito po tayo sa dining room nila Jose Rizal.
Yung andito is full of makabagong mga gamit. Mga ano ito? Mga paso. Kubierto. Saan ba yun? Hindi ko po alam. Basta dito. Ay. Daan ko sa pagbaba. Hey, Doug! So, ngayon.
Seryoso naman?
Kaya sabi ko ingatan niyo si Philip eh. Philip!
Wala ka mukha niyo nga.
Oh, Philip, halika. Tingnan niyo.
Exotic, no?
Kaya sabi ko dapat ingatan niyo si Philip.
Philip, dito ka, tignan mo.
Kasi reincarnation niya. Asa ka na ba?
Si kuya yan eh.
Si Kuya, humiga ka.
Yan.
Exotic yung mukha kasi.
Kaya, nakabidyo na kasi.
Hi po, so we're at our third destination, which is the UPLB or UP Los Baños. So this school po kami here is more on agriculture based on what our tour guide said.
Yes.
So you can see the view, it's really nice. Like the mountains and
Lalo na
stuff.
to.
Especially this person.
Alam mo yung ano yung kabayo or cow?
So
Oh.
basically it's a really cool school. I don't know if ano. Ayaw tayo Carabao siya.
Oh my God, tara.
Hindi ba? Yung galaw niya na yan, gusto niya mapaglaro.
Kanina ko po
Happy siya, happy.
Titira, pupush mo siya para lumabas yung gatas. Hindi pwede yung napanood natin na hinihila.
Para naman daw sino na kayo ng damo niyan.
Ay! Hello guys!
ibabay ka na.
Wait lang. So what do you say about their ice cream? It's quite delicious, isn't it?
90 pesos ice cream. Uy, video mo siya.
Dito ko lang, Jazz.
Ano ba gusto niya kasama? Hindi ba, share ka?
Wala ganyan no.
Like, going back to the topic yan.
Sa expressway din.
Carla, huwag mo subukan.
Service road.
Carla, huwag mo subukan.
Pwede ba? Pwede ba?
Wala pag.
Pwede ka ulit!
Okay, so saan na tayo?
Uy!
Totoo naman.
Napakalamig sa German.
To, paharang-harang eh.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Nakikita mo naman sa'yo. Pang! Kita.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, this is our fourth and last destination, which is...
Tara na!
Wala may breathing. Oo nga, may allergy kayo. Hindi pa ba?
Carlo.
We're here at Chandon Kingdom and we're enjoying ourselves. We're finally. So we're going. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Shane, where are we going?
I don't know.
We're going here.
Hi ka nga. Hi ka nga.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo!
Birthday boy.
Thank you.
Hi, mga people!
So we're now entering what is we call a 4D classic cinema. So we're going to experience a lot of realistic.
This is us
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo,
Kaya nga! Kaya nga masaya pag
Pwede bang manahimik mo?
nanginginig ako, te.
Tukulo tayo, nagulat ako. Akala ko.
Ba't mo iniwan? Ikaw naman talaga.
Wala ride na ba?
Update! Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa?
Ito siya, videoan mo. Videoan mo.
Sabay ka na dyan,
Uy,
Shandy.
videoan mo.
Sabay-sabay kami na sa update.
Say hi sa vlog!
Kasi nga
Hi vlog!
So, pakilang ride na natin to. 5. Pang 5 na natin to, te.
Sumingit.
Pang 5 na
Then,
natin.
sumingit din sila mga.
This is us after Space Shuttle, Clock Tower, Frisbee. Kakatapos na nakakita.
Agree tayo?
Kapagod
Ay,
po.
tuloy ng Space Shuttle.
So as you seen here, these are the real animals that has experienced
Ate!
all of the
Ate!
Ate! Yung cellphone! David! David! See, I can see that. That was the trick.
Ah, Alay. Ay, wait lang, Ben. Alay, so for today is... Anong oras na?
Yo, this is perfect. This is perfect.
Oh.
Hi guys! So, manonood kami ng Orlo pang vlog 2.
Mag
Magical day, only here at Enchanted Kingdom, where the magic lives forever.
Ah!